Google Ads conversion tracking for Wix is a powerful tool that helps you measure the effectiveness of your online advertising campaigns. To get started, you need to have a Wix website and a Google Ads account. First, you need to create a conversion action in Google Ads. This can be a purchase, a sign up, or any other action you want to track. Once you have created the conversion action, you will get a conversion tracking code that you need to add to your Wix website. To add the code to your Wix website, go to the Settings panel in your Wix account, then click on Tracking and Analytics, and finally click on New Tool. Here, you can paste the conversion tracking code and save the changes. Next, you need to set up the conversion tracking tag in Google Ads. To do this, go to the Tools and Settings menu in your Google Ads account. Then click on Conversions, and finally click on New Conversion Action. Here, you can enter the details of the conversion action and set up the tag. After setting up the conversion tracking tag, you need to verify that it is working correctly. You can do this by checking the Conversions column in your Google Ads account. If the tag is working correctly, you should start seeing conversions reported in this column. Best practices for using Google Ads conversion tracking for Wix include setting up multiple conversion actions to track different types of conversions, using the conversion tracking code on all pages of your website, and regularly checking the conversions column in your Google Ads account to ensure that the tag is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Google Ads conversion tracking for Wix to measure the effectiveness of your online advertising campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your marketing strategy.